So now we're going in the main stage area. We see so many chairs spread out. I'm so happy we came in the daytime because you guys can actually see how many people come here. So the people that come here are more than these seats actually. People sit outside on the screens, which I didn't see today, I don't know why. Maybe it's on the other side. So these many people come here to watch this live, you can say theatre. So it's basically a live theatre going on for 9 freaking days. And those are the changing rooms, the green rooms. I don't know what that area is. We're not going to go inside. We're going to go in the main area, which is the stage. So let's see. By the way, you see these sofas there and ordinary seats there. So those are the ordinary people seats. These are the VIP seats, which we have snuck into many times. So, you know, no worries about that. This is the actual stage area. I guess this is how they enter it. So let's see. You want to enter it with me? Come on. I'm so excited and I feel so amazing right now because we just saw this Ram Leela 2 days ago and I guess that's where they enter, and from here, that must be the entryway from this side. And this just reminds me of my school annual day where you do plays, but this is on a massive level, of course. And Navratri is like a big deal, Ram Leela, right? Over here you've got the trees and everything because the main character, Ram, Lakshman and Sita. Now, if you don't like mythology, just think of it as a story. So all 3 characters actually went on a Vanvas, which is a stay in the jungles. Okay, so that's the jungle backdrop. We've got one more entryway where people are sitting. This is the throne. So the Lord Ram and Lakshman and Sita, all of them were actually kings and queens. So suppose this is where the kingdom scenes were filmed. They would sit here and do all those scenes. So that's nice. I feel like queen right here. Okay, anyway, that's done. Let's move on to the other side. Another entryway here. Over here we've got some mountains. I'm not sure what that is for, but guys, look at this. These are trees. So basically these are trees that are cut. So can you see this is the top portion of the tree and they have just folded it. So they just open. This I've seen for the very first time. I love it. So one character, you know, the monkey god, as people call, Hanumanji, he got a big rock. Sanjeevani Booty, he got this big rock on his hand because he was cool like that. So again, this is where they filmed that scene. I'm not sure, I haven't seen the entire Ram Leela here. But this is not the entryway there. So, behind, I'm kind of scared to see. Okay, so behind, Afil, come on. So this is the snake on which Vishnuji sits. I suppose there's a kamal, the lotus. There's a lotus there. These are the stones, which are actually just sacks full of nothing and painted in the color stone, which the Vanar Sena, the monkey army, threw in the water, things like that. So yeah, this is the foundation of this entire thing, but I think we should go because hi! So that wraps up our tour of this amazing Ram Leela set. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely did. I feel so privileged that I got to be on the stage, and yeah, I hope you guys are excited for the Shehra as well, which I hope I'll show you in my Indian life vlog. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.